I hear the sound of the gentle breeze flowing through the leaves. The soothing sound puts my troubled mind at ease. Sounds of the birds and earth are alive and fill the air. I can see and feel and hear the nature alive everywhere. The air is clean and crisp, very fresh and easy to breathe. Here in this place, I feel I have all that I need. There is a feeling of tranquility around and inside of me. The presence of God seems to surround me. I am in the great Sierra Mountain on top of Mount Rose on the border of Nevada and California, a place where my heart is filled with euphoria.